Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rated V Recipe Edition. I'm excited today because I'm going to be showing you how to make vegan Pollo Campero. For those of you who don't know, Pollo Campero is like the KFC of Central America. If you've seen my other videos, I've traveled to different restaurants and tried different kinds of fried chicken. But this honestly is my favorite ingredient that I found to replace fried chicken because it resembles that dark meat that I used to really like. So I'm doing my take on it, so let's go.
So the special ingredient for this recipe is oyster mushrooms, which can be found at most Asian grocery stores. And what I really like about using oyster mushrooms for a chicken replacement is that it's already a natural ingredient. I don't have to make it out of wheat gluten or anything. And the other great benefit is that oyster mushrooms are low in calories, non-fat, cholesterol-free, are a good source of fiber and protein, and are an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals we need. I first discovered this when people were using this to replace Southern-style fried chicken, which, by the way, is delicious as well. And after making it one time, I was eating the leftovers with some tortillas because, man, it had been a while since I had eaten pollo frito con tortillas. And that's when it dawned on me. I was like, oh my gosh, why don't I just make the Latino version of this? So this is a fun way to fix that dark meat craving.
Alright, I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you really like it. Obviously, since it's deep fried, I don't recommend eating it every week, but it's definitely good if you're transitioning to a plant-based diet and you're craving, that comfort food that you really like, or if you just want comfort food, it's really good to make. So I hope you guys like it. Bye!